Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, your money just disappears? Like your paycheck comes in, and a week later you're wondering where the heck it went? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down 10 money traps that silently keep people poor. And more importantly, how you can escape them. Because once you see these traps, you'll never look at money the same way again. Meet Sarah. She gets her first big promotion, and what's the first thing she does? Upgrades her car, moves into a more expensive apartment, buys new clothes. Suddenly, that raise she worked so hard for disappears. This is called lifestyle inflation. The fix: before upgrading your lifestyle, upgrade your savings. Treat your raise like it never happened. Save or invest at least 50% of it. Ever notice how credit cards feel like free money? You swipe, you smile, and you forget until the bill comes with 25% interest. That $200 pair of shoes could end up costing $400. The fix: use credit cards only if you can pay them off in full every month. Otherwise, they're not tools. They're traps. Here's the truth: later never comes. Imagine planting a tree. The best time was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. The same goes for money. The fix: even $50 a month invested consistently beats zero. Small steps compound into big results. We've all seen it. Turn $100 into $10,000 overnight. Spoiler alert: the only person getting rich is the scammer selling the dream. The fix: real wealth is built slowly, through patience and discipline. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. One medical bill, one car accident, one job loss, and without savings, you're back at zero. An emergency fund is your financial shield. The fix: start with at least $1,000, then build up 3 to 6 months of expenses. Your friend buys the latest phone, and suddenly your phone feels old. Your cousin posts a vacation, now you want one too. This trap is called comparison spending. The fix: remember, likes on social media don't pay bills. Spend based on your goals, not someone else's lifestyle. Schools teach us math, science, history, but not how money works. If you don't learn, you repeat the same mistakes. The fix: read one financial book, watch one money podcast, or even videos like this every week. Knowledge compounds just like money. Keeping money in savings alone is like leaving seeds in a bag. They'll never grow. Inflation eats them alive. The fix: start simple. An index fund or ETF is safer than chasing hype coins or stocks. Let your money work for you. If your job disappears tomorrow, does your money disappear too? That's dangerous. The fix: build side hustles, freelance, start small businesses. Multiple income streams mean multiple safety nets. Here's the biggest trap: believing that more money alone is the answer. Without discipline, even a millionaire can go broke. Money doesn't fix habits. Habits fix money. The fix: focus on financial discipline, not just financial growth. So, which of these traps have you fallen into? Be honest. We've all been there. Comment below the number you relate to most. And if you want to escape the cycle of money stress, hit subscribe, because I'm here to make money simple for you. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. See you in the next video.